For question 4, we're trying to figure out an integer, a whole number that represents the statements. The first one is the opposite of a gain of 6. A gain of 6 is positive 6, so the opposite of that is negative 6. Then the next one on my list is the opposite of 4. We know the opposite of 4 is negative 4, and the opposite of that is positive 4. Okay, and last one that I have is the opposite of a loss of 5. Well, a loss of 5 would be negative 5, and the opposite of that is positive 5, but we're looking for the opposite of the opposite. So we're back to negative 5.